Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I recorded a fall look that is affordable. This video is sponsored by e.l.f. Cosmetics Eyes Lips Face. e.l.f. products are 100% vegan and they are guilt-free. I have a couple of my e.l.f. favorites that I am going to be using in this video, so I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial because this look is just everything. Like, this is like the perfect holiday. Even if it's not holiday, it's the perfect fall. Like, get ready for fall, still looking glam. You can go out on a date with this makeup look. Before you get into the tutorial, make sure you hit the subscribe button below because I have a lot of videos coming up for you guys and I am super excited. So let's get into this tutorial. So I'm about to put you guys onto these ultra precise brow pencils. So I use colors neutral brown and deep brown, and I mix both of them together to achieve this brow color. So I'm just lightly filling in my brow hairs because the pencil is very small. So you want to take your time while filling in your brows because it will break. However, the coverage is amazing. What I like about this pencil is that it comes with the spoolie at the other end, so you can use this to just brush out your brow hairs to make sure that everything is even and precise. The brow pencils are pretty similar in color. However, if you do have like darker hair or your hair is 1B, black, dark brown, I would suggest using the deep brown, and you might not need to purchase the neutral brown color. It's all up to your preference. So I also started creating these like fake brow hair strokes in the front just to make it look more natural, and I use a spoolie to just blend it out. Now this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer is literally one of my favorites. I used the tan sand in my last video and I finished the entire bottle. Now to conceal my brows, I mix both the deep chestnut and the tan sand together to achieve this color. And look at that coverage. Now I'm just using a Real Techniques blending brush to just blend out that concealer, and I'm doing the same process for the top of my brows as well. Now I'm using the tan sand as a eyeshadow base, and I am just blending this all over my eyelids. Of course, we need our moisture, and I do have dry skin, so I'm just applying the Holy Hydration all over my face with my fingers. For eyeshadow, I use the e.l.f. Retro Paradise palette, which, as I said in my last video, is super pigmented, and the formula of these shadows are amazing. I said this in my last video and I'm gonna say it again, so make sure you guys get your hands on this palette. To start off, I'm using Sandy Bum as my transition shade. Now I'm going in with Spice as my lid color, and I'm just gently blending that into my transition color. You guys will be able to purchase all of these products in the description box below, so make sure you guys check it out. I'm using tap-in motions to make sure that the color is really pigmented on my lids. This Stardust Glitter in Bronze Comet is so pretty. You guys have to try it. Usually I don't wear glitter on my eyes, but you know, I wanted to make the look glam. So I am using clear eyelash glue for the base, and I'm going in with another brush to apply this glitter. I know right now it might look a little crazy, but it's gonna all come together and blend in perfectly. is very like dark chocolate. It's very pretty, like bronzy color, but I feel like the camera isn't showing it, so I'm gonna show a video on my phone with just a flash so you guys can really get the effect of how the glitter looks. I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. gel liner as my eyeliner. This is how it looks. It's really dark and it's really amazing. So I'm actually not gonna do a wing today, but I am going to dip my angle brush in the gel and just apply like a thin line on my lash line. Just like that. And I am going to put on my eyelashes off camera. So these are my Reese Artistry Mink lashes. Right now I only have one style, but I will be dropping 5 additional styles very, very, very soon. This primer though is the bomb. Made my skin feel so smooth, and it reminds me of Smashbox primer. Now you guys know my holy grail foundation is NARS. However, I would like to try out a drugstore foundation so that I can share it with you guys. So let me know in the comments below, what's your favorite drugstore foundation that I can try out, and let you guys know how it is. I like my under eye to be very bright, so I am using the Tan Sand first, and then I'm gonna go in with the Deep Chestnut to blend those two colors together. Now I'm just using my beauty blender to blend that all together. Going back in with my foundation brush to blend out my contour. Clearly, I was so hyped about the finish of this makeup look, and I didn't even set my makeup yet. Are we feeling the blend though? Like, let's talk about it. Are we feeling the blend? I am. My favorite setting powder is Sacha Buttercup. Listen, somebody better tell Sacha to hit me up, because listen, I've been putting y'all on to Sacha for a very long time now, and it is just really good. A little goes a long way, and the jar lasts so long, and it is only $20. It's the foundation for me. It's the blend for me. It's the concealer for me. It's the whole beat for me. Like, don't play with my beat, okay? Just don't play with me. It's the whole look. It's what it's giving. It's giving a lot. After me being so excited about my makeup, this happens. And I know you guys can completely relate. I was so pissed off. Are you serious right now? Yo. Woo! Okay, Sharice, fix this. Back to regular programming. I had to go back over my eyeliner, fix my face, and now I am dusting off that setting powder. Now I'm going in with this dark brown eyeshadow color from my lower lash line, just to make my eyes pop even more. This is the Aqua Beauty blush and bronzer, and I'm just using this to bronze up all over my face. Next up is blush, and it came out so pretty. However, this is a jelly blush, so a little bit does go a long way because it is liquid. Now I'm going in with Raw Sauce eyeshadow palette from Crayon Case, and I'm using Sunset as my highlight. One tip I have for finding affordable palettes, I would suggest getting palettes that have both eyeshadows and highlights and blushes because you get more for your money. Next up, I'm using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Lip Kit, which comes with liners and lip gloss. So I'm just lining my lips. First, I am using the Crayon Case Soft Twerk Lip Gloss. And on top of that, I am putting on the Rose Quartz Prismatic Lip Gloss from e.l.f., which is like this shimmery sheer color. Now, I did apply some more lip liner off camera just to define my lips. And next, I'm using the Hydrating Coconut Mist as my setting spray. It smells amazing. And what I like to do after I set, sometimes I like to go in and just dab into my beauty blender. This is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! Like, who told you that you cannot get a beat face on a budget? It's in the technique, baby. It's in that technique. It's in that technique.